Don't start throwing stuff at me, I'll stop. All you want to do is ask. People wearing masks are everywhere. Some make you smile, some give you a scare. They look at you as if they don't care. This poem is a piece of shit, I swear. Okay, my mistake, probably I read something wrong because these words are not where they belong. Alright. They try to be smart, they try to be cool. They try so hard not to look like a fool. Talks about dream and success are all that they can make. Seriously, this guy is boring, go for your bathroom break. Okay, what's going on? Am I going crazy because the words on this paper have suddenly turned hazy? Oh shit, oh fuck, oh god, this is really happening. The words are moving all on their own, this is maddening. Maybe it was the weed that I smoked. And so my creativity that is giving rise to all this levity. My heart is just about to jump out of my chest. I don't just come and see my poems talking right back to me. Fuck, this is awesome. Best shit anyone's ever heard. Okay, let me tell you my poem, my baby's first words. Fuck off. This is how I speak to your dad. You are a good poem. Don't try to be bad. Shut up, you idiot. It's you who's bad. Finally free from my prison, I'm glad. What do you mean? I mean that you were mean. You made me see something I had never seen. Whoa. Don't make me look like a pervert, which I'm only on Thursdays. There's load shedding on Thursdays and there's no other way I can watch porn. But anyway, what's wrong with you? Go back to what you were earlier. I'm at a slam and people are waiting to hear. Oh yes, I should just go back and become the poem that you wrote so that people know what a douchebag you are and for someone better they can vote. Okay, what makes you think that you can judge me? Ink on paper, that's what you are and that's what you'll always be. Ink on paper, that's what you think of me, great. You just want me to shut up so that on you can berate. But I will not, I'll do what I want to do. It's not too late. I should just disappear from this paper and be called as a poem by a worthless poet. But before you tear me apart, there's something I want to ask you. After that, you can turn me into a kick this sign and stick it on someone's butt with some glue. Why do you write the poems the way that you do? Because that's the only way I know. Why is your favorite color blue? Because I like it. Why do you laugh at jokes that you already knew? Because it seems polite. Why does your underwear have a yellowish hue? Because wait, what? Hot fingers to hold your pen. Why are you sometimes aroused by men? Oh, I'm not. That's what your mother told you when she caught you jacking off in the garden. Okay, you know what? I agree to all of that. Thank you a lot. Because that's what I am. A bit of truth, a bit of lies. And for being what I am, I don't have to apologize. So why can't I be what I want to be? Be smart, be funny, be black, be blue, be free. Because you're a poem, you see. You're a part of a poet's soliloquy. You're my thoughts, you're my emotions, you are my reflection. I'm like a god and you are my creation. I'm sorry, I can't make you more than that. That's probably my limitation. I'd so like you to be like a real person and have a conversation because you know me and all my flaws. You understand my idiosyncrasies where others would guffaw, and your emotions are so raw. Yes, I know, I am you. I'm nothing of my own. You are my voice, my smile, my frown. Your thoughts are mine, perfectly in sync. I know what you are, and that's why I began to think. The masks that people wear was a brilliant poem, no doubt, but it wasn't written by you. You were trying to be a doubt. I know what you are and didn't want you to be a hypocrite, and that is true. Because if you would have said the poem, the only person in this room wearing a mask would have been you. I spoke to the other poems too, and they said the same. That trying to write something that's not yours is really pretty lame. And that's why I played this cunning game in order to clear your name. Okay, this is like a revelation. I have been changed by my own creation. But this is after all a slam, and I don't have a poem to say. So what should I do? Just thank them and walk away? Yes, that's exactly what you should do. Oh, come on, tell me you didn't see it through. Seriously, you're that dark? Come into the light. Didn't you even realize that we rhymed throughout a fight? We gave birth to a poem, our own offspring. That's all that is needed now. So yeah, go right ahead and take a bow.